Hi guys, today this video is about how to grow your YouTube channel using vidIQ. vidIQ has two options. It has a paid option, which I use, and it also has an option where you pay $1 for 30 days and you get the use of it to see if you like it, and then you move forward. That's how I started, and but I didn't wait for 30 days because I saw the value in this amazing tool. The link is going to be in the description. If you're interested, you can click. But let's go through this, and I'm going to show you a few of the features to give you an idea of how I use vidIQ for my true travel treasures and how it has helped me to grow my channel to 45,000 subscribers. And I got a video with 2.4 million views, and all my videos are not under 1,000 views. So I give credit to vidIQ and other tools that I use. All right, let's get into it. When you come on the dashboard, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see finding trending keywords, get video ideas, find trending videos, and generate video content. Over this side are tools that you would use. Spy on your competitors. This is the same keyword, trending keyword here, or other keywords. Outliers, daily ideas. You can generate your own title and ideas, and you'll get a score to see whether it's high or not. Thumbnails, it will tell you your score of your thumbnails. It will tell you how to optimize your thumbnails right here, and your titles, of course. And it will give you SEO in directions, and you also have someone who will coach you. You can ask questions to the coach when you have the fully paid version. These tools, and you get to learn new things here as well. So this is directly associated with related to my channel because I am connected to I connected it to YouTube. All right, so, and I know I scrolled down and you saw an estimated revenue. This is only for the last 7 days. I made $485, which is not bad. I was going to show that, but I think they have everything for me. They have the percentage of views within 7 days, my subscribers, how many I got within 7 days. I got 800 within 7 days, and everything is in green, meaning I'm doing well. Watch time 5,700 in 7 days. My retention is 28.7%, which could be a little higher if you ask me. It gives me my goal, my progress. Right now I'm at 5.5 million, almost 5.6 million views, and I have 234 days left if I want to get to 9.9 by December 26th, 2025. And it gives me a lot of information. My competitors, I chose these competitors, and it tells me how they're doing and all of that stuff. And I can add competitors, but I think I can only add up 20 of them. Alright, so let's go to these tabs because this is what this video is about. We're going to find trending keywords. When you click on it, it tells you, gives you a synopsis of what you have been searching for. Best carry-on luggage, travel 2025, ETIAS 2025. Well, it's 2026 now because they changed the date. So let me put in something here. Let me type something here. It gives you the scores. It gives you how many people are searching for it and how much competition you have. How ETIAS will affect. I'm just making it up as I go along. Will affect your travel for 2026 because it was originally going to come out in 2025, but they changed the date. And I hit enter. So what it's telling me now is that hardly anyone is searching for this because it's all the way out to 2026. So the competition is low because only less than 750 people are searching for it. However, over on this side, it shows you when it's in green, it shows you that there's a high overall people are searching for these Schengen visa. People are really searching for just the word ETIAS. 2,748 people are searching for it. European travel information and authorization systems, 2,853 people are searching for it. Travel tips, 14,000 people are searching for this. Travel tips and hacks, 2,112 people are searching for it. And so these are the competition. This doesn't have a lot of competition, but these do. This one is medium, this one is high. Alright, so this is where you would come to do your keyword research, and it will give you matching keywords and all of that stuff. Alright, it will give you matching terms as well. It will give you related keywords, yes, where you can search for other keywords. You scroll down, and when you see it in green, as I told you, you don't have a lot of competition. Entry exit system, the competition is very low, 1,532. So I would do a video on that. When you see the competition low and it has enough search volume. Schengen visa has 16,809 search volume. The competition is low, and overall it's 66%. So you see how vidIQ offers you a whole lot. You can ask questions here, and it will give you questions to pose in your video, and then you can create a whole video with a question and a solution. Alright, let's go back and let's go to video ideas. Get video ideas. In this tab, you will get daily ideas, and it will tell you if the search volume is very high. When you see this fire, and it will give you titles that people are searching for that are very, very high, has a lot of search volume, and then it will tell you the ones that are high and the ones that are medium. It never usually shows me the ones that get low views. So you would use this as inspiration to do a video. For example, if I wanted to do a video on surprising new travel rules that shocked travelers, I would just jump right on this. Don't wait. Just jump on this. And if you like the title, you just click the love sign and it will save it for you. Alright? I think I already saved this. I'm not sure. Yeah, I already saved this. That's why. Oh no, it's saved. Sorry. It's saved. So I would go through and just save. And once it's saved, it will remove it from this list. Okay? Yeah. How to avoid tourist traps. That's high. And I would go up. I would rather do the very high first. For example, this one. Yeah. Why Emirates is right, so it removed it from the list and kept the ones that I didn't give some love to. Alright, so I'm not going to spend more time on this. You get the idea, right? Daily ideas, no pun intended. Alright, finding trending videos. I like this feature because what it does, it tells you what videos are outliers. What that means, what videos have low subscribers and more views. For example, this one. Let's click on it. And this is related to my personal channel, and so you're gonna see your topic, your title, this is just for travel. So this video is particularly targeted to seniors. I'm going to do another video with seniors because I was asked to do it by one of my subscribers. 5 small travel tips every senior should know. This channel only has 535, where is it? 535 subscribers right here, and has 26,642 views, and it came out a month ago. The engagement is average, and they get 55 views per hour. I can add this as a competitor. I can open it in YouTube to see what else is on their channel. I can ask vidIQ to give me ideas from this video, and I can find similar videos as well. This one has 22,000 subscribers, bad engagement, 478 views per hour, 196,000 views, and 62 outlier score. How much score did the other one have? What did I say? Outlier score was more than 100. So this is a good video. Alright, so and you scroll down, you can filter it if you wanted to find videos with let's see, 21 minutes long, 15,000 subscribers, within the last year, and the views, let's see, 260 views. You would just apply, and it will come up with different videos specific to what you just filtered. See? Yeah. And so you would, in 7 days, this person has a 1,800 subscribers and 75,000 views. This one is 4 months ago. 23. I did a video similar to this one. Yes. So that's that for this feature, and I think it's the last feature we're gonna visit for today. Let's see here. Come on, why are you taking so long? The next feature is generate. You're gonna generate titles. I don't know why it's taking so long. Please forgive me. Yes. Yeah. Alright. I went too fast. It's at optimize. I didn't want to go there yet. Let's generate. This is the title. You're gonna generate titles here. This is a feature that I use to generate my titles. For example, let me put in a title: how to get through airport security without being flagged. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Flagged in 2025. Yeah, you're going to be specific. And I hit enter, and it's going to come up with a different title from what I have here. But if their title gets a higher score than mine, then I'll use it. Otherwise, alright, it has a 93%, so I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste this down here and see how much my title got. 93. Hold on, it's going to do it again. It's going to do its thing. You see, my title got a lower score. Alright, let's change it. Speed through. Oh, hold on. My title has some typos in it. Hold on. How to get through airport security without. Without was spelled incorrectly. So let me copy this now. Alright, so let's see what comes up. It's my typo. That was the problem. Let's see. Come on. Give me a high score. 81. So you could go in and refine it. Or I could use the one they had before where they scored 93. Add excitement. Well, I got a 93. Ooh, I got a 96. Ooh. So I would choose this one. And apply. Navigate airport security smoothly in 2025. And then you scroll down. It gives you a description for your video. It gives you keywords that you can use. And you can actually add your own keyword. You can say TSA mistakes to avoid. Let's see. Keyword term. It gave me a 51, which is not bad. It's medium. So you can go ahead, as long as it's not over 500 characters, you can add your own tags, your own keywords. It gives you thumbnails. I don't use it all the time, but this is a darn good one. Fastest boarding yet. Isn't that awesome? So you can go in now to edit it. I like this thumbnail. I think I'm going to use it for one of my videos. Should I take it down a notch? I could use white, but I could change it to yellow. I don't like that style. And you could change it to fastest boarding yet. It's taking up too much space. We could change it. No, I want it more pronounced. Let's see what this one says. No. Bold. Let's see what bold. Yeah, I would use this one. And you can make it larger across the page. Yeah, and just move it up a notch. Yeah, and then what I would do, I don't want to cover the airplane. Let's move it in a little bit. Yeah. So what I would do next, I would save it, and I'm gonna be done with the video in a minute. I would save it. I would download it. I think it wants to go up a little bit more. It's on top of the person's head, right? I would save it, and then I would download it. I'm going to download it now. I would download it and then I would go to Canva and put some arrows or whatever else I have to put in it. And so when you scroll down, after you've done with the thumbnail, it gives you a hook for your video, it gives you an outline, and it also gives you a script. You can generate the script here, but I never usually, I do my own script. I use ChatGPT, and I'm going to do a whole video with ChatGPT. And then it also gives you a voiceover, and it's going to tell me how many minutes the video is going to be after they're done with the voiceover. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. I don't want that video is, I need a video that's 8 minutes long. So I would not use that that script. Or if I felt like using it, I would edit it so that it can be longer. And then I'll go to ChatGPT to ask for more value, more information, and then I would go to InVideo to get the script done. So this is what I wanted to share with you today, these 4 features. I'm going to do another video with these features, how you can spy on your competitors, and how you can use a coach to learn new things, and how you can actually learn new things on your own. And SEO, how to make your videos better, searchable, and easier to find. So that is it for now. If you want another video where I go more in depth, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll do that video for you. Remember now, the link for vidIQ will be in the description, and I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of future videos. And please make sure you download my free video planning guide and viral video cheat sheet. Those are free, but I do have a paid ebook that goes in depth on how to grow your YouTube channel to take it to the next level, so you can begin monetizing and earning from YouTube. And this is if you're really serious about your channel and your channel growth, you will get that paid version as well. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of my YouTube journey and my YouTube family. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Yes. I don't know what happened here, but thank you so much for watching. And this is Cheryl, your host, saying bye. Lifing with Cheryl, thank you for extending your time to me. I appreciate that. I don't know what happened there, but I'm not going to do anything to this video. I'm giving the authentic me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by.